Hey guys, so I want to cook something. I haven't got much in the fridge. I haven't done shopping, so let's look. We have some onions, carrots, that's thyme. We have some broccoli, cauliflower florets, cheese. Ooh, I found some mushroom, my favorite. And also some tomatoes up here, some Philadelphia vegan cheese. And in the door, we find some eggs, more cheese. Wow. We find some butter, mayonnaise, lemon juice, milk, and my homemade juice, and some more cottage cheese. Oh, and here we find some celery. And here we have some mustard. So guys, I don't know what I'm gonna wrap up with all of this, but as you can see, my fridge is practically empty, and that is what I'll be cooking with whatever I found in my fridge. So what we titled this video is, I don't know is it. So let's get cooking. So with all ingredients that we found in the fridge, we decided to go ahead and use some of it, not everything. And I'll be using the mushroom, broccoli, cauliflower floret, the tomatoes, peppers and onions, and you can see some pasta on the side, which is what we'll be cooking it with. So we're going to go straight into prepping by cutting, slicing, dicing our fresh ingredients. And there's no special way of cutting it, slicing it, or dicing it. You can just cut it to your own preference. And while I'm cutting these ingredients, let me just use this opportunity to ask you, where did you find our channel? How did you come across our channel rather? And do you enjoy our cooking? And what is your favorite recipe that we have cooked so far? And most importantly, have you ever tried to cook any of our recipes? So after cutting everything, we'll be putting it into a baking dish. And then we'll be season it up to your own preference. And when I say to your preference, because everyone have a different taste, maybe some of the spices I use, you don't use it for whatever reason. So I just go ahead and I had some paprika, some chili powder, some garlic powder, some sea salt flakes, and I'll be using extra virgin olive oil to moisten the vegetable. And then I'll be adding some butter, just a few cuts of small cubes of butter, and then we cover and put it straight in the oven. While those are roasting in the oven, we have another dish where we had some water and salt and oil, because we won't be cooking the pasta. We'll be using boiling water to cook the pasta. Yes, you might never seen it done this way, but it actually sometimes better this way. So after our vegetable roasted, this is what I needed. This is how I want it to look. We go straight ahead and we put everything into a blender, all of it into a blender, and we blend. Then to the pasta, we drain the water from the pasta, and then we'll be adding some cheese, and the cheese I'm using is the Philadelphia cheese. Then the blended vegetable, we add it to our pasta, and we make sure we give it a good mix so it is well combined together. Then we put it back in the same baking dish, and then we're gonna just add a bit of cheddar cheese on top. Actually, it was mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. We won't be burning the cheese, because we don't want it to have a crust in it, and this is what we're aiming to achieve from it. Then we're just going to mix it again, and then it will be ready to serve. Look at that, it's so cheese delicious. Then we go ahead and we just plate that up, and guys, this was so delicious. We did have a feast and we enjoyed so much. Until I come again, this is Anne's Cooking and More. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these super recipes.